What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. My app is ready and I'm pushing my app into the market. So I've been super busy, but here I am. But today, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind and maybe yours too. The fear that AI is going to take our job as a software developer. I get it. But I've worked in several service industries and I've been working with physical products. And I've seen how technology just changes all of the time. But here's the thing, I think software is still the most exciting and the most rewarding field to jump into. And I've got this amazing feeling because I've been working on my app and I wouldn't do it any other way. So if you're worried about your career as a software developer, and in this video, I'm going to tell you why software will stand out. So let's go on. First things first, there's no other industry that allows to build something big with just a small team. Even as a solo developer, like I've been coding my app for myself, you can build literally app for you that you would like or love to use yourself, especially today with AI. Often, if you want to scale in any other industries, you need a big team to handle all the complex operations, especially let's say in e-commerce. Then there is a low capital requirements. Yes, in software, that is one of few industries, except for maybe media, where you need very little, something like just a laptop and some skills. If you go for e-commerce stores, e-commerce industry, when you scale, all your capital is like reserved for scaling. You have to buy all the products in advance, ship it to the warehouse, and keep your capital locked in there. Even though you have a working marketing channel and everything is working great, but you cannot scale because your capital is locked in the warehouse. My family is in restaurant business. Imagine doing restaurants. You have all the governments getting involved with your business. They have all the inspectors coming to your restaurant to check if everything is clean and etc. There's nothing like that in software. There's no regulation in software. And heck, I've been in the supplement business. In the supplement business, the biggest annoyance is the federal food regulators. They can inspect every inch of your marketing advertisement. Nothing like that in software. We're so lucky for that. And then there's zero marginal cost. You can ship your software to millions without adding too much, maybe some server costs, but that's it. And the margins are still incredibly high. The only problem with software is intellectual property, and yeah, everybody can copy and will copy. That's the only problem. There's nothing that will protect you from copying, but you just have to move faster. So why does software have such huge advantage? For me, it comes to three reasons, actually, from my experience. First is low barrier to entry. You don't need millions to do it, like I said. And second is scalability. The ability to scale is incredibly attractive. And third, like I said, the speed to market. You can develop an MVP tonight and ship it tomorrow. No other industry enables this except for media. So really, while I've been building my app, I feel incredibly happy and grateful for this opportunity. But of course, there's a lot of people coming to this software business because of the previously mentioned reasons. So SaaS is becoming or is a high status game because of the low barrier of entry. And it is super intellectually challenging because there's so many ways you can solve a problem. You can't have existing software, and you can come up with different angle and win customers by that. Whether it's cheaper, whether it's easier to use, there's so many dimensions of solving that problem. But the biggest reason why so many are dreaming of having their own SaaS application, well, it's high status. And even though it's incredibly difficult to have a winning product, is that the chance to win big is so attractive. You can have one winning product and you'll be set for life. So there's these variables that will keep new developers coming to software. And yeah, what does this mean for the future? I think software will keep dominating because of the reasons I said. It is hugely unique compared to any other industries. But as technology and other AI models evolve, the lifespan of software is much, much shorter than previously. So if I were to build a software like I'm building, I'm not thinking past 2 years. I'm trying to maximize every opportunity that appears right now. So the lifespan's gonna shrink, but opportunities are coming left and right. So my core message for this video is this. Software is like a three-dimensional space. It's like ocean. You can approach a problem from such a different angle, and there's so many problems to be solved still, even though AI is catching up. Software is so special, and we are so lucky to be able to code. And when I think about all the previous reasons, there's no other industry like software. And when I think about all the problems that in the physical world has, I wouldn't have any other way. So keep shipping and see you on the next video. All right, bye.